One world, your station.
Hi Neeraj, KK and Vinay Pathak. Vinay, rumor has it that you are a better achar maker than an actor. Is that true?
It's not a rumor, it's a reality.
Because it's been consecutive weeks.
Yeah.
I met a certain Ranveer Shori last week for his show called Tabbar. He insists that you're a great achar maker.
Yeah, he's right.
Nuts also says that you're quite proficient in that department.
Right. Because they're both my neighbors. And jokes apart, it's not false at all. क्योंकि पैंडेमिक में, पहले वाले पैंडेमिक में तो हमने काम ही नहीं किया है. ये तो दूसरे पैंडेमिक में नीरज जी ने कहा कि चलो ये भी करते हैं दूसरा.
But did you give him some achar?
तो नहीं, अभी तक नहीं दिया. आपने खुलासा कर दिया, मुझे देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सारा अचार जा चुका हमारे पड़ोसियों को. मैंने बहुत अचार डाले हैं.
KK is ridiculous.
Literally.
I mean, how can you have a co-actor who is an achar making specialist and you get no achar
We
for
get
your
to know
house?
of that today actually. आज ही पता चला.
ये भी बता दे कि गाजर का डाला था. ये नहीं पता तुझे, मैं बता रहा हूँ. गाजर का डाला था और नींबू और हरी मिर्च का डाला था. अब बोल.
Nice, good. Let's now come to the younger Himmat Singh. What is it that Himmat Singh has that you don't have? As KK Menon, when you watch Himmat Singh as a character, you know, sometimes you're envious of parts you play, you know, like the dexterity of somebody like the character you played in Behrupia, you know, how he is doing what he is doing. So similarly, is there something of Himmat Singh's that you wish you had in your life?
I think all of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I don't think as an actor, as a person, I don't think I compare to any of the roles that I've done or any of the characters that I've played. So as a result, it remains in the domain of desire. All of it, most of it. And actors have one thing good going for them, and that is they can play different people without carrying the baggage of the person. So as a result, acting is one of the best professions possible.
Yeah.
You know.
Better than achar making.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Yeah.
absolutely. And now that you ask, it's such an interesting question. I have to say that there's so many things about Himmat Singh that Neeraj has created on paper. That's so fascinating. It's like almost like hero worship. और मैंने कहीं कहा भी था, when I read The Bourne Identity for the first time, you know that you cannot be Jason Bourne. I mean, as a reader, I can't be even if I want to. But it's so fascinating that you want to be in that shoes. To realize that how do you, when you have forgotten everything, how do you stumble upon your own identity? How do you do it? Again, it's a great writing. So similarly with Himmat Singh also, जो इन्होंने लिखा पहले सीजन में हमने क्या देखा? Himmat Singh, the officially diligent, honest man, would go to any length to. And then when you see this one, you realize that, oh my God, could I have, even a little bit of that life, or those character traits, the diligence, the sense of loyalty, friendship, all of that. And those are all real ones. होता है ना, कई बार सिनेमा के किरदार में हर चीज़ बहुत आदर्शवान रहती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत रियल है इस किरदार में. तो मतलब अभी तक इतनी ईमानदारी से मैंने किसी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया था जो आपने केके साहब से पूछा है, क्योंकि है मतलब सही, आपने सही पकड़ा है ना, बस पकड़ी.
Only thing which I found very good in this 1.5 is that I could play myself.
Young and dashing.
What I loved about Special Ops, apart from everything, is the fact that each episode was titled after a classic film.
That's his.
Kagaz Ke Phool, Guide, it's just amazing. I don't know if 1.5 is long enough for you to do that. What are you doing, 3 episodes? 4
No, we are doing 4 and yes, they are titled again after.
So come on, that's not a spoiler. You can tell us about it.
Yeah. It's not a spoiler. The first one is called Andhi. The second one is called Mere Apne. The third one is called Lekin, and the fourth one is called Ijazat.
Sweet. So how do you figure out that amongst Gulzar Saab's masterpieces, whether you'd like to go with a Lekin and Ijazat and not something else? I mean, how do you do the shortlisting of that, given the amount of classic cinema we have?
The soul of the episode. It's as simple as that. I mean, even if they could be completely, they would appear to be disconnected, but still they resonate with the soul of that particular episode. So you'll find once you see the episodes as to why they're named the way they are named.
You've read his screenplays, stories, whatever. Have you read a novel he's written called Ghalib Danger?
I've heard, I haven't read it yet.
He didn't give me the achar, I didn't give him the novel.
So why don't you do a barter system? You know, like they used to do.
बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है,
मोहनजोदारो
यहाँ
से।
चार जा रहा है, जा रहा है
No,
वहाँ
but
से
then
आप लेके आएगा।
in return you get Ghalib Danger. Like you know in Mohenjo-daro, not
समझ
Ashu's
गया भाई,
film.
बार्टर बोला समझ गया।
Barter.
अब पूरा समझाओगे तुम बचपन से।
पाल पोस के बड़ा करोगे। And Abbas the James Bond, I'm just joking. So Abbas, I mean you're pretty much telling the story in the trailer, you know,
Pretty much.
and the rest is left to all the action and things like that. What can we expect from Abbas? What is he doing apart from narrating the trailer? What is the younger Abbas like, if at all the younger Abbas is shown? I don't know.
He's as dashing as the older one. That's for sure. और दूसरा मतलब स्पॉइलर ना बताते हुए कि इस मतलब ये दूसरे सत्र के सूत्रधार हैं ये। तो पहले सत्र में हिम्मत सिंह थे सूत्रधार और उन्होंने बताया कि कैसे वो कहानी वो आई। ये दूसरे में मैं हूँ क्योंकि अपनी कहानी खुद ही नहीं बता सकते ना भाई।
Correct.
मॉडेस्ट लोग हैं हम लोग।
So yeah, that modesty is overwhelming, especially in the last 10 minutes.
It's debilitating and handicapping. In terms of the reverse aging, is it just makeup? Is it some prosthetics? You're looking remarkably young, you're supposed to. But what was it? Was it prosthetics or just makeup? Or I don't know, what do you do on post? Can you reveal
कौन सा
that?
उत्तर सही रहेगा, वो पहले वाला की बात करें?
Oh my God, you guys now have some templates also. Please don't put me last again, ever. Because these templates have also been formed by me.
ऑल यू नो ये इतने बड़े हरफन मौला हैं कि ये असली निकाल के आए होंगे और हम जब बोलेंगे तो कहेगा लेकिन ये तो ये बता रहा है। ठीक है ना, तो इनको बता ही देना सही है।
आप पढ़ाई लिखाई करता हूँ मैं।
हाँ।
Anyway, no, I'm
बट
seriously asking.
काफी करना पड़ा पोस्ट में काम, बूढ़ा हिम्मत मतलब ओल्ड हिम्मत को करने के लिए। यंग हिम्मत वाज इजी,
Young Himmat was easy.
ओल्ड वाज डिफिकल्ट।
And again, was just prosthetics or makeup also? I don't know. For the younger one. For the younger one.
बोल रहे हैं, मैं बता रहा हूँ ये बहुत।
The old one was difficult because a lot of prosthetics and trying to make him old and all that stuff.
I can even go to the old one, I'm asking for the young. And why are we not seeing any femme fatales? We had so many beautiful ladies in the last one. You know, we had Saimi and
I
Sana and all
promise
these
you,
people.
you will.
So Neeraj Pandey and Shivam have kept it a well-disguised secret and not giving the ladies away so
आप
soon.
तो ये सब सवाल देखने के बाद आप एक बार देख लीजिए, 12 तारीख के बाद बताइए हमसे तुम।
Then why are we meeting you earlier? We meeting you earlier to get some kind of sneak peek. with
मतलब
about it.
सारा गॉसिप हम ही दे देंगे तो तुम खुद क्या
Neeraj, can we
discover
have
करोगे?
the cast list of some,
course.
some wonderful looking ladies?
You've seen the trailer, right? So
Yes.
I mean, it does introduce the women in the story. It's about honey trapping. It gives away in the trailer as well. So we've got Aishwarya, who's making her debut in this one. We've got Shiv Jyoti, who's again making her debut in this one, and then there is a Ukrainian actress called Maria, who's making her debut in this one as well. So yeah, I mean, it's a big cast. We've got Adil, we've got Aftab. Of course, the older ones from season 1, they make a comeback as well. Gautami is there. So all in all, it's like a big cast.
And is Shivam completely directing it, or do you do one episode, he does one,
Yeah,
you mix and match?
we do parts. We do parts. Yeah.
And how do you break that down when you sit with the screen?
We just roll the dice and take credits.
You serious?
Yeah, as serious as a heart attack.
That's amazing. Because normally, you know, like you see Nikhil Gonzalez and Nikhil Advani. So he'll say, you know, the emotional scenes this guy will have. You know, the tech-based VFX ones I will have. This is just a...
That's why you wouldn't be able to figure out that who has done what.
It doesn't.
That's a promise, huh? It's a promise.
True.
Yeah.
Well said. Well said. And it's not even as though it's equal. कि मतलब आधा-आधा कर लेते हैं.
We don't count.
You
We don't
count.
we don't audit how much work one has put in. We just go with the flow.
Nice. One was so popular, you know, memes are being made out of it. Dialogues have been, circled again and again on the internet. Just the kind of espionage thriller that it was. You must till today have people come up to you and tell you about Himmat Singh and about Series 1. Talk to me about the reactions that you got to this work.
We got for one was tremendous.
Tremendous.
I think this is my most popular work in my entire career. So yes, it was tremendous. So and I've never been so much at the center of everything in life. So it did also seem a bit strange and like not very used to it. But yeah, it felt good. And I guess this franchise is well appreciated. So we're very happy.
And the fans obviously don't want to be cheated of season 2. There is a full-fledged season 2. That much you're assuring everybody.
Yes, as of now, yes. We are waiting for the reaction to 1.5, of course. And once we get past that, yeah.
Did you feel that there were gaps or loopholes that you needed to plug in before you tell a full-fledged 2? Sometimes it happens, right? I mean, you finish a series and you look back, you like certain things, you don't like certain things, and then you find some glaring gaps. And you want to address them before you jump into an entire new season. Did that happen ever with you and the writers?
No, 1.5 is not a fix or anything of that sort. It's a story that was screaming to be told once we sort of tapped into it, and all of us actually got excited with the prospect of doing something which was challenging, at the same time very different from what's going around. No precedent, nothing. So huge punt, but we like the idea. It's as simple as that.
Vinay, I know you go beyond the uniform and things like that, and you think more about the person than the job that he's playing. But also what Special Ops did for me when I watched it is, you always try to think of what these raw officers, these men in uniform, their families and what they go through. I mean, if you look at 19 years of just of this massive tale, what to you, as far as Abbas is concerned, really speaks to you as a human being, not from his being what he is professionally, as a person?
Abbas's character, the way he's been sketched, I find fascinating. I'll tell you why also. I've never said this anywhere before, and I don't know how right it would be here. But Abbas was not supposed to be what Abbas is today in the inception of it.
No.
Yep.
And Neeraj and I had our differences also when the first draft was written.
Yeah.
And for some reason I was, like, nahi, theek hai. But he said, no, but I want to make him this. And what eventually became of Abbas, for me it's very endearing because he's written the way he comes out. Usually what happens कि भाई मतलब एक किरदार लिखा गया, फिर हमने उसमें एक्टिंग की और उसको ऐसा शॉट लिया गया और कुछ मतलब इस तरह से दिखा, उसका जो भी वर्ल्ड व्यू है या उसका जो भी स्टैंड है एज अ कैरेक्टर, लेकिन उसको लिखा गया इतने तरतीब से, मतलब आई थिंक आफ्टर आवर फर्स्ट डिबेट कि मतलब वो फैसिनेटिंग बन गया मेरे लिए, क्योंकि वो बोलता एक शब्द है लेकिन उसके पीछे की कहानी वो मतलब झलकती है बिना बताए हुए. कि दिल्ली पुलिस है, दिल्ली पुलिस में वो ये भी कहता है कि मतलब एक जो सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर हो रहा है ना कि बैंक में गए हो क्या, और कहता है कि हाँ वही कि बता मत देना सब. तो बात सिर्फ इतनी हो रही है, इट्स टंग इन चीक डायलॉग ऑल्सो, बट सडनली व्हाट इट डज इज दैट इट promises a world that has happened between these two characters, which is what I like about Abbas, because he exudes loyalty, somehow. So after a point you can't say कि he could be the one who would turn, वो मतलब वो है ही नहीं, जबकि शुरुआत में डिबेट तक में कि रहने दीजिए शायद. But and that's what I like, that there is a certainty about this character.
I'll tell you how I won that debate also.
Yeah, that was actually logical segue into that question.
Yeah.
What is that disagreement?
So the point was that originally Abbas's character was supposed to be dying in season 1, And I told him you can go beyond season 1. I said, yeah, that's the right thing to do. That was the debate.
Okay.
क्योंकि एक बार मैंने बोला कि नहीं मार दीजिए इसको, ये बोले कि नहीं हमको अब्बास से थोड़ा प्यार हो रहा है। उसमें मतलब क्योंकि उमर इसलिए जाता था कि उसमें थोड़ा सा एक शेड था।
Yeah, there was a different slant to it.
एक बार मेरा ये भी लालच आया था यार वो शेड अच्छा है यार, चलो विलेन हो गई मतलब मरूंगा ठीक।
But the moment he heard that we can go beyond seasons,
You got excited like a little child.
any actor won't.
Of course.
फिर मैंने कहा भाई आप
You greedy
आप
actor.
सृजनकार हैं, आप सृजनकार हैं, मैं कहाँ लड़ सकता हूँ।
I remember you telling me in the numerous times that I've interviewed you about, and it really struck a chord with me, saying there are only so many stories that can be told, 4 or 5, whatever it is. Which in essence also means that the reason you would do things is not only for the story but also for the collaboration, you know. And it looks to me like Neeraj is just a phone call away and he'll just pick up the phone and say, come on KK, let's do it, and you do it.
That's how it normally happens with us.
Yeah, so what is so special about I wish he was not here. We could have this conversation, but he is here.
I wish to.
What would you? What would make you just drop everything and say it's okay? We'll talk about the story and discuss things, but let's work.
That's how it happens normally. Like even for special ops, it was just a 2-liner
Yeah.
we had. He's called me over. He just said this is the basic concept and that's it. Even for baby or everything like that. Just hardly a 5-minute discussion.
What instinctively makes you trust?
That's
the man?
because one is that we know each other for quite some time now, 2003, 2-3, and I've seen his work. I've read his stories. Some of them couldn't be made. So
You've read Ghalib Danger.
no, I've not read Ghalib.
See, I'm your only brand ambassador. I'm your only brand ambassador trying to promote your novella.
Thank you so much. Thanks for this.
We're all filmy people, only watching films. Sorry.
They
Continue.
only read scripts.
Correct. Yeah.
So all that stuff. So that gives you, it's a kind of mutual trust, mutual admiration, you call it whatever. You just know that the kind of writing that he does is extremely unique. One, the screenplay level, you can never predict anything that he's writing. Number two is the sense of humor that he has is extremely infectious in a scene. You know, you never expect that to come. So these things for an actor is like full juice, and that's where it lies. So it's that I kind of a blind trust towards a person like that who I know will never put a wrong foot, in terms of या फिर जानबूझ के नहीं करेगा कुछ.
It's like he said, you know, the thing about, you can talk about Jason Bourne and James Bond, 007, the caviar and the wine, but knowing that there's this cool guy in Andheri or Chembur, you know, makes it even more exciting.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think that's the beauty of his writing, the simplicity of it. I think I have time for just one round for each one of you. Diwali is coming up. How is Diwali normally in the Pathak household? And what is it going to be like this year? I mean, obviously, because we're
for
coming
this
on.
question, he's a spokesperson. We've directed to him, and he
No, but
says
the
for.
one standard Diwali question, everybody one answer.
No,
should-
it's all there.
पूछ के दिखा इस बार.
It's all there. It's all there.
मुझे दिवाली का स्पोक्स पर्सन बना दिया इन्होंने.
हर इंटरव्यू.
क्योंकि ये दिवाली के बारे में बोलना
नहीं नहीं, मैं ऐसे करके बोलूंगा. नमस्कार, आप सब लोगों को हमारी तरफ से दिवाली
की शुभकामनाएं. नहीं, ये वो वाला सवाल नहीं है.
अच्छा, तो
ये
स्पेशल
नॉर्मली पाठक खानदान में क्या ताश खेलते हैं आप, पत्ते खेलते हैं, मिठाई खाते हैं.
मिठाई खाते हैं, दिए जलाते हैं, मोमबत्तियां जलाना बंद कर दिया हमने.
And in your wild reckless days where you were pataka person,
वो तो
or-
कभी जान नहीं पाएगा, कोशिश नहीं करेगा.
And now with your renewed vigor of saving the planet, it's just full goodies.
now that I'm a little more sensible and mature, I would like to think that I am, especially in front of you, knowing what a trouble you could be. No, it's very sedate and मतलब दिए जलाइए और पटाखे मत चलाइए और मिठाई खाइए और मतलब दोस्तों से और परिवार के साथ वक्त बिताइए. प्यार बांटिए.
And cards, I mean, no high
मैं नहीं
stakes.
खेलता.
but- you're
मैं नहीं
on cards.
खेलता. मैं नहीं खेलता.
Neeraj, what do the Pandes do in Diwali?
Puja, that's the normal thing. Puja and spend time with kids and family. That's it's a quite Diwali at our house.
And there's food involved, obviously.
Of course, loads of food and sweets. So
And when I say cards, I don't mean like high stakes gambling. Just say, you know, कुछ
है ही
लोग
नहीं. Playing cards
रिवाज
घर
के
ही-
लिए खेलते हैं.
घर ही में नहीं है.
There's no
Same,
cards.
same.
No cards, no cards. Actually, in this business, we need all the luck, so we just do away with the cards bit completely.
Your hero Akshay Kumar will not agree with that, but however,
That's destiny.
The same here. So I think we very similar kind of celebrations, all three of us. Yeah.
you have a bong element too. So puja must have been big for you guys. Yeah,
Puja,
yeah, must say, yeah.
puja per se of anything is definitely big. But otherwise, the Diwali again, it's puja arrangement
And you do the mandatory diya and phulchari or
basic
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 stuff.
show. That's
and no cards. Yeah?
Cards, yeah, friends come over, they play, but I have no idea of how cards are played, so I have no idea.
बेटा इनविटेशन नहीं आने वाला है तुझे कार्ड का, मैं लिख के देता हूँ। ये देख रहा कहीं तो पत्ते लेके पहुंच जाऊँ मैं। रजत क्या जाना वो खेलता है।
Rajat is in Cape Town, South Africa.
Correct, but he'll be back for cards. I promise you.
Guys, I can't wait to see 1.5. Thank you.
Thank
for your
you.
time.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Neeraj. And
Thanks. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Achar.
मिल जाएगा, मिल जाएगा, मिल जाएगा।
1 World, your station.